Mealify, Weekly Meal Planner. AI is a game changer for anyone struggling with meal planning or just looking to optimize their food choices. But before diving into how this AI works and why it could be your new best friend in the kitchen, let me tell you, this software was just released, and it's already making waves. Stick around because I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you need to know about Mealify, and I'm also going to tell you how you can try it for free. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let's talk about the main feature, Mealify's AI. It's designed to simplify your meal planning by automatically generating weekly meal plans based on your preferences, dietary restrictions, and nutritional goals. Whether you're looking to eat healthier, lose weight, or just save time, Mealify tailors the plan to your needs. And it's not just random suggestions, it adapts to your input, becoming smarter over time, ensuring every plan suits your lifestyle. Secondly, one of the best things about Mealify is the variety it brings to the table. With over 1,000 recipes included, you're never stuck eating the same thing. Whether you're vegan, gluten-free, or have any other dietary restrictions, Mealify has got you covered. It learns from your choices and continues suggesting more recipes that fit your preferences. Imagine never having to search for new meal ideas again. Another great thing about Mealify is its grocery list feature. After the AI generates your meal plan, it automatically creates a shopping list based on the ingredients you'll need for the week. This takes the guesswork out of grocery shopping. No more wandering aimlessly through the store or forgetting key ingredients. And it's organized by category, so you can shop more efficiently. Let's talk about flexibility. Mealify doesn't lock you into a rigid plan. You can swap meals, adjust portion sizes, or even add meals for the week based on your changing schedule. The software offers full customization, giving you the freedom to make tweaks as you see fit without sacrificing the AI's recommendations. Now, the AI isn't just about planning meals, it also helps you track your progress. It integrates nutrition tracking, helping you stay on top of your macronutrients, calories, and overall diet goals. If you're serious about health and wellness, this feature alone is worth it. It gives you insights into how your meal choices align with your long-term health objectives, making Mealify a powerful tool in your fitness journey. On top of all that, Mealify offers meal prep advice. So if you're someone who likes to batch cook or prep meals in advance, this software guides you through that process too. It saves you time by suggesting meal prep tips for the week based on the meals you've selected. Whether you're prepping for one person or the whole family, it makes meal prep easier and more efficient. Finally, let's talk pricing. Mealify is offering a completely free trial, which gives you full access to all the features, so you can really test out how it works for you. No strings attached, no commitment. If you're serious about meal planning and saving time, this is a risk-free opportunity to give it a go. And remember, if you're interested, you can try Mealify for free by clicking the first link in the description below. I've tested thousands of AI softwares, and Mealify is truly one of the best tools out there when it comes to making meal planning simpler, faster, and more efficient. So after you've tried Mealify, check out my recommended AI software list in the description. Each one of them is handpicked after thoroughly testing them myself. Don't miss out on all these incredible tools that can save you time and effort. Mealify has definitely raised the bar when it comes to weekly meal planning, and I'm excited to see how it evolves. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the software for yourself.